Hey there, Smartsheet enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest features in Smartsheet 2025 to make your workflow smoother and more efficient. Today, we're tackling a super handy tool, freezing panes. If you've ever worked with large spreadsheets and found yourself scrolling endlessly, losing sight of your headers, this feature is your new best friend. It locks specific rows or columns in place, so you can keep key information visible no matter how far you scroll. Stick around, and I'll walk you through it step by step in just a couple of minutes. First things first, make sure you're logged into Smartsheet 2025. Open the sheet you want to work on. Now, let's get to the action. Start by selecting the cell that's just below and to the right of the area you want to freeze. For example, if you want to freeze the top row and the first column, click on the cell in the second row and second column. Next, head over to the top menu and click on the View tab. This is where all the magic happens for customizing your sheet's layout. In the View options, look for the Freeze Panes button. Smartsheet 2025 has made this even easier with a drop-down menu. Click on it, and you'll see options like Freeze Top Row, Freeze First Column, or Freeze Panes. Choose the one that fits your needs. If you select Freeze Panes, it will lock everything above and to the left of your selected cell. Once you've made your selection, scroll around your sheet, and voila! Your chosen rows or columns stay put. This is especially useful for reports or data-heavy projects where you need constant reference to headers. A quick tip: if you change your mind, just go back to the View tab and select Unfreeze Panes to reset everything. One more thing. In Smartsheet 2025, you can combine this with other features like filters or conditional formatting for even better visibility. Remember, practice makes perfect, so try this on a test sheet first to avoid any mishaps. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Smartsheet tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. See you in the next video.